Na namang unboxing na jewelry order galing sa Mars Jewelry ang aking bubuksan. Kadarating lang nito ngayong araw. So, let's do the unboxing. This is my second order to their shop. I order big wave ring. So, I will have another freebies again. So this time it is dragon sticker para cellphone, and then ito na yung order ko. Thank you letter, and ito na yung aking big ring, big wave ring. So, 1 day shipment lang sila. Ito na po siya. Size 6. So, yan siya. So, oh, very tight siya.